In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an HP Deskjet printer that is printing blank pages only. This works for Deskjet 2600, 2700 and 2800 series and most similar HP printers. Follow these steps in order from simplest to more advanced. Important steps. 1. Power reset the printer. Turn it off. Unplug the power cable from the back. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. 2. Check ink levels on the printer screen or in the HP Smart app. Make sure both black and color cartridges have ink. 3. Open cartridge access door and let the carriage move to the center. 4. Remove both cartridges carefully. 5. Test cartridges on paper. Gently dab the printhead area, bottom copper section, on tissue or paper. Ink marks should appear. 6. If there is no ink mark, the printhead may be dry or clogged. 7. Clean the printhead gently. Use warm water on tissue and wipe the printhead area only. 8. Dry by dabbing on tissue until clean and dry marks appear. 9. If still clogged, soak only the printhead area, bottom part, in warm water for about 5 minutes, then dry fully. 10. If it still does not print, soak up to 2 hours, printhead tip only, not the whole cartridge, then dry completely. 11. Reinstall cartridges. Color on the left, black on the right, push until they click. 12. Close the printer doors and try printing again.